before we start on the Emerald Bay puzzle, 1,000 pieces, I wanted to show you that my little girl and I just finished up Super Nugget and Superdan, the 500 piece Kitty Throne puzzle by Eurographics. The Kitty Throne puzzle. This was a 500 piece puzzle that we just, get the selfie stick out there, that we just finished up. Look at that, huh? It's all glued up, finished up. Very nice puzzle. We were very happy with it. Very happy with it indeed. And we'll hang this up real soon. Show it one more time. Cute little tabby. So through the magic of YouTube and video and editing software and all the rest of it, this used to be, or this right now, was the workstation for Superdan's plastic models. But in 5 short seconds, we're gonna turn this into the Jigsaw puzzle workstation, and you're gonna see it sped up in 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Well, boys and girls, I think we got the setup here for the Superdan's Jigsaw puzzles. We got the table, we got a whiteboard, we got the puzzle, the Emerald Bay, Lake Tahoe, California 1,000 piece Eurographics puzzle. We got the tripod. We got 3 different light sources. We got a light on top, light on the left, and a light on the right. As you can see that, the light on the right's not on right now. I got 2 separate boxes. I probably those might be used to put different colors in. We'll see how that goes as we put this puzzle together. In 3, 2, 1, let's go! So this is the unboxing of the Emerald Bay, Lake Tahoe, California puzzle by Eurographics, 1,000 pieces. Thought I'd talk a little bit in the beginning about what my plan is. Of course, first it's going to be sorting. And I thought I'd sort by color and by flat piece. So I'm putting very light colors into one box, darker colors in like another area, and then all the landscaping pieces, like anything with greenery and shrubbery, in the left box. And just gonna start that way with that plan and see how that develops. And then after we're done with the border and the separations, then we'll start taking out pieces and start on certain details of the puzzle, such as the rocks on the bottom left, or the water line between the mountains and the water. So there you go. basically I sorted it out into obvious mountain and tree pieces. These are the flat pieces. These are hybrid, I guess I call them hybrid pieces, and dark blue pieces. And these are the light pieces. And these, I'm not sure if those are flat pieces or not, but I kept them on the side just in case. Just getting started, folks. Okay, well, I think this is a good time to stop part one. I've completed the border. I stopped the recording because there were two pieces that I did not have, and I didn't want to record me siphoning through everything to find the two pieces, but I found them. And we have some sorted. We're going to be starting the outline here of the mountain. And we're going to start these rocks right here. We're going to start a little bit of detail here and there. And it's going to come together. It's going to be great. And thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I guess it's better if you look at me. Please subscribe, click the thumbs up. You can comment down below, support the channel. And when we get back, we're going to be doing some detail, some filler, some of the mountains and stuff, and start to connect the dots. Cheers.